What's up, mother flippers? Brendan McIntosh here. Welcome to BXSCo. So in this video, I want to show you how to create backgrounds with texture, color, and feeling. I'm going to try and do that in 60 seconds or less. So let's not waste any time. I'm going to start the clock here and put these layers off. Shameless plug over there, but for 3 seconds. All right, cool. So the first thing you want to do is add a solid color layer. And I'm going to grab a hex color that I like and paste it in there and set it. Okay, cool. The next thing that you want to do is place some texture in the file. So if you've got a texture library, or you can always just download some images. I'm going to use this paper texture that I got from a Nicky Lights pack. And let's rotate and scale that. My neighbors are hooting in the background. I hope that's probably picked up, but anyway. Okay. Make this clock move. Yes, I'm happy with that. Click yes. Okay, and then I'm going to change the blending mode over here to screen. What's cool about Photoshop is you can go over the different ones. If you use a dark texture, use screen, and if you use a light texture, use multiply. I've got 3 seconds, but I'm just going to quickly show you how it works with the light texture. So let's put that off, and I'm going to take this texture and choose multiply. There we go. Cool. Hope that's helpful. I have a product on Creative Market called the Feels Real Background Creator, and it's a file setup with this and much more. Let me show you what it looks like. Here's a preview of it. So there are quite a few. There's 8 material textures. There's a vignette option. There's Skywash, and then there is a color picker with a color palette. But cool, I don't want to spend too much time on that shameless plug. If this video was helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe.